latest advancement in the tools and technologies, there needs to be a gap that needs to be filled out, and that's where we have actually proposed this idea of artificial intelligence for hyperspectral data analytics. We are very happy to get this funding from EAICT Academy run by NIT Patna. That has been a setup created by MITI to create awareness about these tools and technologies. We are very happy that this particular workshop is being organized and the coordinators are not only from main campus but also from BIT Patna campus, as well as one of our this co-convener is from University Polytechnic, Mr. Abhay, and Ratnesh Mishra sir from BIT Patna. So it's a unique initiative where all the centers of the BIT Mishra are actually involved in proposing something which has been delivered to you all. Initially, we got this approval of 80 participants only, but we have received around 110 applications. Joined because their trains are late or some from Chandigarh to Bombay to Northeast, Shillong. Some of the faculty members are from our in-house campuses also. And participants from research scholars perspective, we have received applications that are from that participants are from BHU, from West Bengal, many of the places the participants are there. Now to discuss about this AI HIDA, why we have thought of this is that many of the tools, many of the data sets which are existent, therefore hyperspectral are very cumbersome, very complex, and that needs to have this amalgamation of the technologies which are actually found to be game changer in the current scenario. This is where we have distributed our sessions. So out of 5 days, first day is dedicated about knowing you all about hyperspectral imaging, what hyperspectral remote sensing is there. Second half of the first day session would be involved how the data would be generated, how the data would be captured, what all basic pre-processing activities are required to carry out this hyperspectral data analytics. And from day 2 onwards, you can see that we are starting from basics of machine learning. We are covering the advancements of the machine learning. We are also covering up some of the aspects of the transfer learning, natural language processing also, how these so-called language models are being utilized in proper data utilization is all we would be covering it for the next 5 days. First half of the session would be all theoretical, and second half would be all hands-on. We would be using some of the basic tools, and then we would be moving on to the open sources where Python programming would be used to perform these operations on some of the benchmark data sets of the hyperspectral. Now the speakers, we have a very prominent set of speakers who would motivate you to take up this as your research career. We are very much honored to Dr. Anup Das sir, who kindly has agreed and has been is blessing us on this important occasion. We have speakers from Banaras Hindu University, from NESEC, from IRI, one principal scientist, Dr. Anand Sahu sir is coming. Then we have Dr. Ganesh from NIC also. Apart from that, many of the in-house speakers are also there. Dr. Akriti, Dr. Kanchan Jha, Dr. Arjit Mustafi sir. So many of the speakers are there from our in-house panel also. Dr. V.S. Rathod sir is also there, who would be who would be letting you know about the basics of the hyperspectral imaging and all. Only one request would be there. This certificate is very important, for which we would be asking you to be present here for almost 70% of the sessions, because 70% attendance is mandatory. The campus, if it would rain, would be a very good place for you to stay here. So don't wander here and there during the theoretical and the lab sessions. And looking forward to a great learning to all of you. Thanks a lot the participants who have actually took extra efforts to reach out to us. We are expecting you that this particular 5 days of journey would be a very good learning for you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. as institution is not merely defined by its buildings or programs.